Hello, for this quick video I'm going to show you how to use a pivot table. Firstly, you need headings as shown here between column B and column G. I'm going to highlight my column headings. I'm going to zoom in. There you go. So first go to insert, then go pivot table. The source is B to G. This is the table range. Now this is the output where the results are going to be. I want value. I don't want date or postcode. We have type. We have charged. I don't want that. We have leasehold freehold. I am going to now, as you can see, we have fields to select. So I selected, and areas to section 2 by 2. This is my favorite, 2 by 2. So I put value over here, and this gives you a count. So there are 34 detached, 34 that are freehold, 6 freeholds, 6 leaseholds. It's a bit of a higgledy-piggledy. So I'm going to change the count to a value. So add that all up. I'm going to change. I'm going to put the leasehold at the top here. As you can see, row headings. This is the type. Some value. I'm going to go to home. I'm going to go to currency, and I'm going to put commas and a pound sign. So detached, semi-detached, terraced, and flat. So these are the total value of these items. Now I can select multiple items, and I'm going to change the items to freehold. So I only want to see the freehold, and then I can change it to the leasehold. All this data I'm using is from Land Registry. You can download it and play around with the data as you see fit. But as you can see, as of the current status, this is how you use pivot tables. You can do graphs as well, and whenever you need to update the information, you just go to data and just refresh, and then the data changes automatically. And that's it basically. I'm all done.